Now see here, a piece of land in a city in a park is covered with a square shaped tulip garden. The side of the garden is 20 meters. What is the area of the tulip garden? So what is the area of the tulip garden? So here, so that side is given. It is only side is given, means the garden is in square shape. Square shape. So only side is given means square shape. So we have to find area of the garden. So first, tulip garden. Tulip garden side is equal to 20 meters. 20 meters. Then garden area. Now garden area is equal to, garden area is only asking, no, area of the tulip garden. Area is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So 4 into, what is the side here? 20 meters. 4 into 20, 4 2s are 8, 80 meters. So not 4 into side, this is side, this is perimeter. Side with side we have to multiply, side with side, that is 20 into 20 meter square. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros we have to keep, meter square. So this is area. So don't use perimeter formula, area formula we have to use. Area of a square formula, side into side, that is 20 into 20, that is meter square. Area is always in meter square, then that is 400 meter square. Area of the garden is 400 meter square. Okay. Next, in the brain booster, next question. Okay. So what is the next question? Find the volume of the cubes with the following sides. Cube volume we have to find. Cube side is given. Cube volume is equal to side into side into side. What is the side here? 6.5 into 6.5 into 6.5. This is in centimeter cube. So now we have to multiply 6.5 with 6.5 first. 6.5 multiply with 6.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32. 6 5s are 30, 3 6 are 36, 39. 5 2 12 4. 4225. Now again we have to multiply with 6.5. 5 5s are 25, 2 5 are 10, 11 12, 1 5 10, 11 1. 20, 21. Now with 6. 6 5s are first 33. 6 2s are 12, 15, 1. 12, 13, 1. 24, 25. Then 5, 2, 6, 4, 7, 2. After 3 digits means 274.625. 274.625 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cube with the given side 6.5 centimeters. Next, here the side is 12 centimeters. Then what is the volume given? So cube volume formula, side into side into side. Side is 12 centimeters into 12 centimeters into 12 centimeters. 12 12s are 144, 144 12s are 144 into 12. 12 for the 48, 4. 12 for the 48, 52, 5. 12 ones are 12, 17. 1728. So 1728 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cube. Okay. In this bit more one question is left. So with the side is given. So in that side is given. So what is the side? That is 3.9 centimeter. So then find the volume of that with the side. 3.9 into 3.9 into 3.9 multiply 3 times. Then you will get your answer. Okay. Now the next. See here. Find the volume of a cuboid. Length is given. Cuboid length is given. Breadth is given and height is given. length, breadth, height is given, then find the volume. So volume formula, length into breadth into height. Then cuboid length that is L, 7.3 centimeters. Breadth B is equal to 5 centimeters. Height H is 4.8 centimeters. Now cuboid volume is equal to length into breadth into height. What is the length? 7.3 into breadth 5, height 4.8. All are in centimeter, that is centimeter cube. Then multiply with 5. 5 3s are 15 and 1. 5 7s are 35, 36. 36.5 into 4.8 centimeter cube. Now 36.5 we have to multiply with 4.8. 36.5 we have to multiply with 4.8. 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 56, 5. 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 5, 29. 4 5 is 20, 2 4 6 is 24, 26, 2 4 12, 14, 0 6 15, 7 1. After 2 digits, 176.60. Once again see here, 5 3 is 15, 1, 5 7 35, 36. Then 8 5 is 44, 8 6 is 48, 8 5 is 44, 8 6 is 48, 52 and 5. So 8 3 is 24, 29. 4 5 is 20, 4 6 24, 26, 2 4 12, 14, 0. Here 2. 15, 175.20. So 175.20 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of this cuboid. Okay. Here cubical room is given. So cubical room side is 5 meters. Then what is the volume? Here cubical room side, that is A is equal to 5 meters. Then cubical room volume is equal to side into side. What is the side here? 5 meters into 5 meters into 5 meters. 5 plus 25, 25 5s are 125 meter cube. So this is a cubical room volume, 125 meter cube. Now next, find the volume of a tiffin box. Length is given. Tiffin box length is 20 centimeters. So breadth is 15 and height is 8 centimeters. Then what is the volume of tiffin box? Tiffin box length L is equal to 20 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 15 centimeters. Height is equal to 8 centimeter. Then tiffin box volume is equal to length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 20 centimeters, breadth 15 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Then 20 15 is 300, 300 into 8 centimeter cube. Okay, 8 3s are 24, 2400 centimeter cube. 2400 centimeter cube. Now see here, the length, breadth and height of a cuboid is given. Length is 13, breadth is 6 centimeters and height is 3.5 centimeters respectively. Find its volume. Again the same, length into breadth into height. So first steps, cuboid length L is equal to 13 centimeters, breadth is equal to 6 centimeters, height 3.5 centimeters. Then cuboid volume is equal to length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 13 centimeters, breadth 6 centimeters and height 3.5 centimeters. All are in centimeters, so we have to write here cubic centimeters. Then 13 6 are 78 into 3.5 centimeter cube. Now 7.8 we have to multiply with 3.5. 78 we have to multiply with 3.5. Now 5 8s are 40 and 4. 5 7s are 35 plus 4 39. Then 0 here. 3 8s are 24. 2 3 7s are 21 23. 0 3 7 2. 2730 means after one digit we keep a decimal. After one digit we have a decimal here. 273 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Okay, volume is 273 centimeter cube. Now in the seventh question, how many boxes of each size 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter can be packed in the carton? This is a big size carton. In this big size carton, then how many small size boxes can be keep? So then how number of boxes can be packed? Number of small boxes can pack in big boxes. Big box is equal to volume of small box. Volume of not small, big box we have to take first. Volume of big box by volume of small box. Volume of small box. Okay, volume of big box is 1 meter into 72 centimeters into 50 centimeters by 10 centimeters into 8 centimeters into 5 centimeters. All are in centimeters except this one. One is in meter. So that meter we have to convert into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter we know. So in the place of 100 centimeters we have to write 100 centimeter, 72 centimeters into 50 centimeters by 10 centimeters into 8 centimeters into 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Now centimeter get cancelled. Then 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. 8 ones are 8 nines are 72. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Then what is left? 10 tens are 100. 10 into 9 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 nines are 900. 900 boxes. We can keep 900 boxes in the big box. Okay. Now next, so in brain booster 8th question, so take the correct answer. First question, the side of a square is 4 centimeters. Square side is given. So then what is the perimeter? Perimeter means whenever perimeter is given, so we have to multiply the side with 4. 4 into side, 4 into side, 4 into, what is the side here? 4. 4 into 4 centimeters. 4 for the 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter is the right answer. Here 13 square centimeters, 13 square centimeter, 14 square centimeter, square centimeter, square centimeter. Here perimeter is given, so no square centimeters, only take centimeters. Don't take square centimeters, only centimeters enough. Why? This is not area, this is perimeter. Perimeter is in centimeters. Okay. So 16 centimeters is the right answer. The fourth one is the right answer. 16 centimeters. Okay. Next, the area of a square with a side 5 centimeter. Here side is given and he is asking area. So area of a square, area is equal to side into side, side into side. What is the side here? 5. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 centimeter square means square centimeter. So where is 25 square centimeters? Here 20 square centimeters, 25 square centimeters. The second one is the right answer. The second one is the right answer. Next, here look at the figure shown below. Which one of the following statements are correct? Here, so this is A rectangle, this is B rectangle. A rectangle is bigger than B rectangle. A rectangle is bigger than B rectangle. Now read statements. The perimeter of A and B are equal. No. So perimeters are not equal. So one is a bigger rectangle, other one is a smaller rectangle. A is a bigger one and B is a smaller one. The perimeter of B is more than A. No. Perimeter of B is more. No, it is not correct. Perimeter of A is more than. Perimeter of A perimeter is more than B perimeter. So this one is correct. The C one is the right answer. A perimeter is more than. Why? A is a bigger rectangle. Bigger rectangle. So that is why A perimeter is more than B perimeter. Okay. Now students, see here. So now we are going to do enrichment activity. In this enrichment activity, so what we are going to do? So we are making cube. We are making cube using square paper. Square paper. What is main objective? The main objective is to prepare to make a cube. So then, so for that what material we need? So one is a square paper, scissor, tape, scale, pencil, all this material we need. One is a square paper, other one is a scissor and tape, scale and pencil. So in your book some patterns are given. First you cut your square paper in that pattern. First pattern, he is given you a square in this way. So this is square paper. So all your squares you cut in this way. So according to given pattern in your textbook. So in the first step, so first square paper you cut in this way. Then after that, so once you check with this square paper, either you are able to make a cube or not. Once you check, once you fold all these squares like this, so like this you fold all your squares. Okay. So after folding, open your square paper. Open your square paper, this square paper. Now you fold first top one and these two like this, and after that close this one and close this one. We prepare cube. So is possible to make a cube. Is possible to make a cube using with that pattern. Using the pattern we can prepare a cube like this. Okay. And after that using tape and close all the corners, all the edges. So using your tape, so this edges, close this edges, then you, so this cube we formed. Okay. How to form? Again once you check, this is the pattern, square pattern. First you close the upper part, then two sides, then after that you fold this one and after that you fold this one. Then after that we form a cube. We form a cube. Okay. So the first pattern, with the first pattern, so it is easy to prepare a cube. Okay. This first pattern is over. Then after that in the second step, So what pattern he has given? So we have to cut our square paper in this way. In this way we cut our square papers. So then how? Either it's possible to prepare a cube once you fold all squares like this. So like this and like this and like this and like this. Okay. First you close all your squares, then after that open your squares. Okay. And after opening, so close all the squares like this, all these four sides. So then after that close top and close bottom. Then so in this pattern also, so we prepared a cube. Okay, so cube formed. So okay, so this in the second pattern also, so we are able to prepare a cube. So this pattern. Okay, so in the second pattern. In the third pattern, using the third pattern, so in the second point, the second. So take your third pattern like this. Either is possible to make a cube once you check. Again you fold all squares like this and like this. You fold all your squares like this and after that open all your squares. Okay, all your squares, open your squares and after that, so the four sides you close four sides like this. Okay, close four sides like this. Then after that here in the bottom, so fold one square. One more square is left. One more square is left. So this square is left. Here top is empty. Here top portion is empty. So this portion is left. If the portion will come on top, so then we can prepare a cube. Here this top portion came in downward direction. So we cannot make a cube using this pattern. So by applying this pattern we cannot form a cube. So this pattern is incorrect to prepare a cube. Okay, this is not correct to prepare cube. So then after that, in the third point, more patterns are given. Okay, what patterns are given? Okay, so this pattern. So in this pattern is like this. Okay, squares. All the squares are in zigzag. First you fold your squares. So then after that. Okay. So now after that open your squares and close. So like this, open your, fold your squares. Okay. So then, so from till here we prepare a square. Then after that you prepare like this. Then, so in this also, so we can prepare a cube. Okay, using this pattern also we can prepare a cube. Okay, so using this pattern also we can prepare a cube. Okay, like this. So all the cubes, all the sides, if you close all the sides, then you form automatically, you will form a cube. You are forming a cube. Okay, in this way. So this is the way to form a cube. Okay. So and the next pattern, so the next pattern is given, so in this way, this is the pattern, next pattern in third point. So again you close all four sides and close top and bottom. Then in this case also you can prepare cube. So using this pattern also we can prepare a cube. Okay. So once again you check. So by closing all these four sides, close four sides and top and bottom. Then you form the cube. Okay. So this is the way to form a cube. Okay. So in the third point. So in the remaining one more pattern is given. So cut in that way your square sheet and once you check either you form a square or not. In the third pattern, fourth pattern is, in third point, fourth pattern is, it is same as the first pattern in the third point. So then, so like that first you take a square sheet and cut in that way and once you fold either you are getting cube or not once you check. So your all four sides should be, six sides should be the same. How many squares are there in this all the patterns? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. So in the second here, how many squares we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Here how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Here how many squares we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 squares. Here, how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In all 6 squares are there. So using 6 squares, square paper, square sheets. So in that way we have to cut and arrange either the cube we can form or not once you check by folding. Okay. So this is your enrichment activity. By using square, we can easily say that either cube will form or not. Okay.